Hey, Jessica, good evening. Well, the number one thing to know right now is we are continuing to see that number of cases increase, hospitalizations, deaths increasing as well. And health officials have said in the past, from the modeling they are looking at, we are still likely weeks away from when those numbers will peak.
Today, testing continued at the Oklahoma State Fairgrounds by doctor referral only. The state still ramping up its testing operation. Right now, cases continue to increase. Hospitalizations up to 153, now 17 deaths. Over the past couple days, the daily increase in cases slowing a little. Health officials in meetings all day today looking at the modeling, trying to see what comes next. They've said before they don't expect the number of cases to peak for weeks. Meantime, new restrictions just in on people traveling to Oklahoma. Governor Kevin Stitt ordering people from 6 states to quarantine for 14 days once they get here. That includes New York, New Jersey, Connecticut, California, Louisiana, and Washington State. It exempts military, emergency, and health responders.
And on top of that, another thing to keep in mind tonight, the city of Oklahoma City is now under that shelter-in-place order. To break down what that means to you, it means you need to stay in your home unless you absolutely have to leave. Now, there are a lot of reasons that you are allowed to leave your home. So, for instance, going to shop for groceries, going to shop for other essentials, going out for a bike ride, a run, checking on somebody who may be ill, going to the doctor, volunteering. All these are reasons you can leave your home. Now, another thing to keep in mind, the police say they are going to be enforcing that stay-at-home order, but they're not going to be pulling people over who are driving or asking people where they're going. You don't need any specific papers to be out and about. What they will be doing is responding to calls that are called into them of reports of big gatherings of people, which should not be happening right now. The police say they will be going to those big gatherings, asking them voluntarily to disperse, most people complying with that. But if people do not disperse, if people do not listen to the instructions from police, they are able to issue tickets. In Oklahoma City, Dylan Richards, KOCO 5 News.